Arrive in style with this 2017 Chevrolet Express Cargo Van. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power door locks, power steering, power windows, traction control, rear-wheel drive, trip computer, bucket seats, MP3 player, auxiliary PWR outlet and gasoline fuel. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.